Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your AirPods Pro 2 are paired to the same Apple ID and iCloud. This is required for the Find My network to locate them. Once done, make sure Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location services are on, because proximity and last known location depend on them. Now open the Find My app, tap Devices, and select your AirPods Pro 2 entry. This moves you from setup to action immediately. You'll see a map and available actions like play sound or directions. You should tap play sound first. AirPods emit a loud, distinctive chime. Listen carefully and move toward the sound. If they're offline, use directions to navigate to the last seen location on the map so you can start a targeted search. Once near, switch to a slow, spiral search pattern. Pause, listen, look under furniture and inside cushions. If one AirPod shows connected and the other not, search for the connected one first since it will play sound and narrow the area quickly. If play sound doesn't work, check whether any nearby Apple device reports your AirPods via the Find My network. That can update locations silently. Make sure you physically check pockets, bags, charging cases, and typical drop zones within 20 to 30 feet before expanding your search. Once you've exhausted immediate options, enable Notify when found and mark the AirPods as lost in the Find My app so you get an alert if they reconnect. Troubleshooting tip. If location
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.